Hey there, fellow coders. Let's talk about why C++ is the king of programming languages. Now, you might be thinking, isn't C++ kinda old school? Well, let me tell you, there's a reason it's still around and kicking. First off, performance. C++ gives you speed and efficiency like no other language. It's close to the hardware, which means you can optimize your code to the max. Ever wonder why top-tier games and real-time systems swear by C++? It's because when every millisecond counts, C++ delivers. Now let's talk about control. C++ offers you the power to manage memory directly. Sounds scary? It can be, but it also means you can squeeze every bit of performance out of your system. Unlike some higher-level languages, you're not at the mercy of a garbage collector. You decide when and how memory is allocated and freed. Next up, versatility. From operating systems to game engines, from IoT devices to high-frequency trading platforms, C++ is everywhere. Its rich library support and vast community mean there's a tool or framework for just about anything you want to build. Need to integrate with legacy systems? C++ has got you covered, and let's not forget about compatibility. C++ is the backbone of many other languages. Languages like Python and Java have their roots in C-based architectures. Learning C++ can give you a deeper understanding of how these languages work under the hood. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't C++ hard to learn? Sure, it has a steeper learning curve, but that's also what makes it so rewarding. Mastering C++ equips you with skills that easily transfer to other languages and technologies. It's like learning to drive a stick shift. Once you get it, you can drive anything. C++ also continues to evolve. With the latest standards like C++ 20 bringing in features like concepts, ranges, and modules, the language is becoming more powerful and easier to use. The community is active, the updates are frequent, and the future looks bright. So, why is C++ the king of programming languages? Because it gives you the ultimate combination of performance, control, versatility, and continuous evolution. Whether you're building the next blockbuster game, a high-speed trading algorithm, or an operating system, C++ has your back. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.